Now, we will start using Canva AI. Just like many modern platforms, Canva has fully embraced AI to make design faster, smarter, and easier for users. With AI, you can turn simple ideas into complete layouts, quizzes, presentations, and even full LMS pages in just a few clicks. The goal is not to replace your creativity, but to amplify it and help you work more efficiently.
First, let's head over to Canva AI. Click on Code, and then type in your prompt.
To use AI effectively, one skill becomes very important: prompt engineering. This is how we communicate our ideas to AI. AI performs well only when it understands your intention clearly. If your prompt is unclear, your output may not match your vision. That is why prompt engineering matters. It helps you express your creativity in a way AI can follow. When you create prompts, focus on clarity. The prompt should be precise so that the AI knows exactly what you want. Next, give context and specificity. The more background you provide, the better the AI shapes the output according to your needs. Then, set the structure and format. If you want a script, a list, or table, include it in your instructions. You should also include constraints. Indicate the tone, the word count, or the level of difficulty. This guide the AI and keep the output aligned with your goal. Practice iteration. Your first prompt will not always be perfect. You refine it, adjust it, and improve it as you go. Finally, balance creativity and flexibility. Be clear about what you need, but allow the AI some room to generate ideas that might surprise you. In short, good prompting needs clarity, context, structure, and iteration. Think of it like preparing a lesson plan. You plan your goals, set your limits, and guide the learning path. Here is a sample prompt. Design a learning management system for high school students that is child-friendly, student-friendly, and teacher-friendly. The system must include 3 roles: admin, teacher, and student, with clear login credentials and distinct functions.
Now that Canva AI has provided us with the system, let's test if it's working. If you spot an error or think something can be improved, simply drop it into the chat box for iteration. Remember, iteration means refining and enhancing step by step. Your role here is to bring in your creativity and imagination. AI is not the only one shaping how your LMS will function. You are in control. Use your ideas, experiment, and let your imagination guide the process. Together, your input and AI support will build something smarter and more engaging. After you have listed all your prompts for improvement, send them into your conversation with Canva AI. This way, the system can process your ideas, refine them, and give you back an updated version. Think of it as a back and forth dialogue. You provide the creativity. Canva AI provides the support. Once you have reviewed the version 2 of your LMS, create another prompt for iteration. Keep refining step by step. Each new prompt is your chance to adjust, improve, and add more creativity. Continue this cycle until your LMS feels complete and perfectly aligned with your vision. After several rounds of iteration and modification, we are now ready for pilot testing our website. First, let's use the LMS in a website design and then publish it. This is where pilot testing begins. You can invite individuals to try it out, with you serving as the teacher and them as the students. If they share comments or if you notice areas that need revision, simply return to your conversation with Canva AI and provide a new prompt for refinement. Keep repeating this cycle until your LMS reaches the level of perfection you envision. In my case, after testing and adjustments, my LMS now feels complete. So it's ready for use.
Now, why is iteration important? Because the first version is rarely the best version. Iteration allows you to refine your instructions until the system behaves the way you want. Each revision fixes gaps, improves clarity, and moves you closer to your ideal output. Without iteration, you might settle for something incomplete. With iteration, you progress toward a polished and functional design. Now that we have a functional learning management system, our next step is to publish it as a website. All you need to do is click Use in Design, then select Website. After that, click Publish Website. And just like that, you now have a fully functional LMS that you can use and share with your students.